In the present setup, used for the students to understand and learn the basic concepts of wave phenomenon. Demonstration of wave nature, for example, reflection, refraction, polarization, interference and diffraction of the radiation produced, can be done using this kit. Microwaves are light waves whose wavelengths are found on the electromagnetic spectrum between 0.3 meters and 10 to the power of -4 meter and frequencies between 109 Hz and 1012 Hz. Transmitter provides a stable, low-voltage source of linearly polarized microwaves. Transmitter provides a stable, low-voltage source of linearly polarized microwaves.